Well, hello again, guys, and welcome back to the GPWS. And after last episode's freak accident, the 69 DAX has been put into storage and will be remaining there until I can come up with some sort of purpose for it. And yes, it's all documented and everything. I know where it is. I know where everything about it is and everything. So don't worry about it now. You know, things, I guess, happen sometimes, and it's all part of this whole clock repair game. You know, you sometimes do things like that. But, yeah, we won't dwell on that. One thing we will dwell on, though, is that sometimes companies can be a little screwy. Yes, sir, we're working on a Baby Ben Style 8 today. We're slowly working our way up the ladder, kind of, if you know what I mean. Like, I'd rather not screw up on, like, a more, like a 1934 sleep meter or something like that. I say that because I've got one across from me that needs to be cleaned. It's just a part. It's not broken or anything. So anyway, we'll be getting to that in another video. But right now, until I can get the ammonia, we're gonna work on this Baby Ben Style 8 from I don't know when. Now, as you may or may not know, and OK Bridges said this, these are total junk. Yeah, they can be. But in discoveries, or following the discovery of my, well, basically in that whole Ben versus Ben thing I did last year, there was a discovery that these clocks, the earlier versions of their movement, can be disassembled. And I think OK Bridges already knew that, and I just tripped. You see that? OK Bridges knew that. I'm sure everyone probably knows that, but, you know, how worthy are these of disassembly, I guess, is really the question. You know, what are you going to waste your time on? So I've decided to waste my time on this guy. Anyways, let's get this disassembled here. And there has been some cosmetics done, well, some cosmetic things taken out of this clock, such as you'll see here as we go. And I think I still have those parts. So this is one of the very early clocks I got, like, from in 2016 or whatever it was. So I did fool around with this thing a bit, but this is in running condition, I'll say right now. And we'll give it a chance to renew its life here. There's the bell. I personally like one of the other reasons I'm wasting my time on this Baby Ben is because the Style 8 actually looks great. If you ask me, I actually like the design of this, and I'd kind of like one in running condition, and it never hurts to know how to work on these. And if this turns into a freak accident as well, then that's how it goes, I guess, you know what I mean? Like, it's not like, you know, some existential loss here or something that this Baby Ben Style 8 has lost its life. Oh, big tragedy. Obviously, you don't want to, you know, you don't want to ruin it. This wire thing's a pain in the neck all the time around the... There we go. Oh. Oh, yeah, this is kind of a precursor to the Baby Ben Fashion Bright video. Because I wanted to service that, and I thought to myself, hold on a minute, that one's in, like, nice shape. I want to work on a more ruddy, well, more cosmetically, I don't know, a more of a screwed up Baby Ben, instead of working on that one first. So we, you know, get my head around how this works, and something, you know, something ridiculous. I think you can just pull the hands off this one, because this one's been through a few times. And yes, those cosmetics I was talking about, they're in this, well, they were in this little case dealio here, whatever you want. I guess it's an interior case. I'm pretty sure there were, like, things here, and there was a piece of rubber here somewhere, or something like that. I don't know. There were some more bits and pieces inside this thing. And here's the movement. Now this one has, hey, it's got the nuts on it. Now you can disassemble it. What a miracle that is. Clocks that you can service? What? What kind of crazy talking? What are you talking about? Yeah, I know. It's quite the thing, really, to see a Baby Ben with this sort of movement with nuts on it, with those nuts. I'm just thinking to myself, how in the heck am I gonna... I have to get those knobs off and everything. Oh man, those might not want to come off. I guess we'll try our best and see how we can do this. Now let me just see here. Okay, we got a aluminum hairspring. I better get the light. I better get the lights on here so we can all see what the heck's what here. That's better. Aluminum hairspring. I'm sorry, aluminum balance wheel. If you can see that. I might even need more light. Holy crap. Anyways, viewers, you get the picture of what's going on here. And let me just check the quote-unquote date code on this thing. 639, I have no idea what that means. Does that mean... is 6 the month? Like, what, like, is that... Like, what does that 9 mean? Or does the 6 mean, like, 1960? Or does it mean 1963? Was this September of 1963? It could be. I really have no idea on this one. I couldn't tell you. Because they change the date codes around, then you have absolutely no idea what's going on. Let me just try and pull this off here. Can this just come off quick, or are we going to fight? Oh, we're going to fight. We're going to fight all the way. Okay, this is not wanting to come off. Fantastic. Okay, let me try something else. You know what, viewers? These might just have to stay on. And as you can see, I've scratched that. Fantastic. There's got to be a better method of getting these knobs off. And I don't think this is it. So I think these particular ones are really pressed on there. Or maybe they're... Interesting. I'll get back to you again on that one, viewers. Can you not let the spring down on this? Let me just see here. How would you do it? How does one go about letting the spring down on one of these guys? Okay, well there's the gear, there's the quote-unquote click right there. Can I just rev a screwdriver up in there and I can see what the heck's what here, or what? See what the... I think you get what I'm trying to say, viewers. No, you can't. Interesting. I hope this doesn't make a big mess when the whole movement's apart. And let me just see, because there's all these little springs and gears, and I see the hairsprings kind of out of whack here. For whatever bizarre reason, it's bent upward. Oh, you know what? Some moron pinned it like that. Look they pinned it to the side of the... Oh, man. Oh, wait, are you supposed to... I think you're supposed to pin it a little... Let me just zoom in here. So I think you're supposed to be pinning this hairspring, like, in this slot there, not off to the side. Well, that's a little goofy. I'm going to be honest, viewers, I don't entirely know if this is, like, correct or not. I might have to look at another one of these to see where they pinned it, because I think whoever did this one kind of messed it up and just left it. So, you know, good clock. Well, it runs. I don't care that I messed up my job. I'm just going to keep going. It's not like I'm being paid to do this or anything. Okay. That's the mindset of the Westclock employees. Or whoever did this one, whoever made this particular movement, or pinned that. Okay, so I can't get in here and do anything like that. No wonder OK Bridges called this total junk. Problem is, if I don't let this spring down, I might get, like, oh, I don't know, a broken pivot. Like last time. So that's going to be great. Let me just take pictures of the outside of this movement. Let me just get some nice documentation of everything. Because I'd hate to, you know, not know where something went. Just get that on there. This looks more complicated than some of the other movements. Well, I mean, or it looks, I don't know, the way they designed this thing, I don't think this is particularly user-friendly or repairman-friendly. Okay. I mean, hey, if this comes apart and it doesn't want to go back together, I guess we had a good time, didn't we? We had a good time working on it. Or trying to, anyway. We're going to see here. Just how do we... You know what? I think a lot of people in this situation, I think they just go ahead and go about it, and that'd be the end of it. That'd be the end of that. But, nope. We're not doing that with this one. I'm gonna try once again here. I'm using the wrong sort of... I don't know if that's quite... I don't know. And these might come off just in some other way here. I don't think I'm doing it right. For a movement stand, we're gonna put the oh no, that won't work. Perfect. Oh man. So maybe we'll put it like that. Or like that. Can we get it like that? Oh, maybe. Man, what a ridiculous... I don't know where this is from, by the way, viewers. This is something I ended up finding here at some point. Is this sitting in here right, or how's this going here? Okay, I think like that you can actually get some sort of results out of this. I just stand it up. Oh, there we go. There we go, viewers. Will you look at that? Swell. I knew this piece of plastic would be good for something when I first, well, when I first found it here. So that'll be our movement stand. It's nice and high too, so that's good. Okay, let's get that hairspring out of there. And are we done evaluating the movement here? Let me just go around it slowly. We're sliding everywhere apparently. Okay, there's the hairspring. Oh, well, that's not very good documentation. The hairspring. That's, we're almost falling out here. Holy crap. Okay. This is not good. I can already tell this isn't going to be the smoothest repair job we've ever done, but it'll be something, that's for sure. Now we'll just take our nail polish remover as I knock the whole movement over. Take our nail polish remover and get I think we'll use a Q-tip on this one. And you know what? Geez, you know, that's the thing about having 10-minute videos. You can't get a heck of a lot done, but that's okay. At least we'll be continuing our recording session here. So anyways, viewers, I know it was just kind of me fumbling around with this thing for a few minutes and looking at the movement over. But yeah, in the next episode of the GPWS, we'll be dismantling this thing. So anyways, viewers, thank you for sticking around for this particular episode. And we'll get back to this in the next video. So viewers, I think we'll leave it at that for now.